Um, can I come in? I'm not gonna ask how are you, but can I get in there with you? Yes, I mean it. Can I just, it'll be just a minute. Please? Please, let me be with you right now. Okay, thanks. Scoot a little. There. I know. Shh. Oh, I know. Come here. Come close. I'm right here. I know. You don't have to say anything. I know these days are rough for you, the holiday season. Though it should be a time of joy, I know it's tough for you. But you don't have to pretend when you are with me, okay? Oh no, you don't have to worry about that. You're not souring the mood or anything, okay? I get it. If you want to cry or complain or just stay like this, you can. You don't have to do anything you don't feel like doing. Not right now. You know, this year we've both been so busy with so many things. Life, work, responsibilities. But I've noticed how hard you're trying, how much work you put into doing things the best you can. Maybe there are things you wish you had done or people you wish were with you, but just know that I am proud of everything you have accomplished this year and how far you've come, even if you don't see it or agree with me. I still feel so proud of you. You have me right now, okay? You have me right now and later too. Okay. I see you and I appreciate you so much. Oh, I'm glad I met you. I'm glad I met you and that you're letting yourself be vulnerable with me. I know it's hard and it's a very difficult thing to do. So thank you for trusting me. Yes, I remember you told me about that. But you don't have to talk about it if you don't want to right now. I know it's a sensitive topic. No, of course. Go ahead. I see. It makes sense why you would feel this way during this time of the year. Yeah, I did notice. You've been gloomy for a while. No, not at all. I like being of help, or whatever I can do for you, I will. Um, you know, gentle caresses soothe the soul or something. That's what my mother usually said, I think. Something like that. Of course, I believe everything I said. You're someone important to me, and I mean, naturally, we live together, so I've seen how hard you work and how much you've done this year, even if it was a tough one. I really admire your resilience, and well, I just admire you for you. That's all. Being able to witness you makes me feel warm inside. And knowing you're having a hard time right now, I couldn't not do anything. Or at least I wanted to try to make you feel better. Or make you see things from my side. So for tonight, at least please believe every word I say, okay? That's right. Besides, it's not like I tell lies every other day except this one anyway. I'm not a liar. But yeah, get cozy, nice and comfy, and let me tell you all the nice things I see in you. First, you are so gentle and so very kind, so smart and incredibly talented with everything you do, and damn, how could I forget? You have the biggest heart I've ever. No, come on. Don't come on right now. I'm telling the truth. So don't try to believe it though. Come on. Get your hand over your face. Did you even wash your hands? Are you feeling a little better now? I can still hear until you fall asleep. I'll get the cleaning done after I make sure you're sleeping, okay? I'm sure you're tired after, well, I heard you. Sorry. I wasn't trying to snoop around or anything, but I'm sorry. Alright then. Let's get all cozy so you can get a good night's rest. Of course not. I love spending time with you, so naturally I would like to be with you whenever you're feeling sad or just very gloomy. I know it's tough. The holidays, Christmas. I know this time of the year can be a little difficult for people. New Year's. If there's anything I can do to make you feel better, of course I would try to do it. Of course I would try to do it. I mean, that's what roomies are for, right? To cheer for each other and lift the other up. I think. If you're feeling down, of course that's something I would do. Is that a happy tear or a sad tear? Let me get it for you. There. You can cry all you want, I won't judge. Is it okay if I do this? Rubbing your back? Okay, Are you warm enough? It's very cold outside. You sure you don't want another blanket? Okay then. Sleep, sleep, and rest well. I'll be right here. I'll be right here with you. Okay? It's all true. It's all true. I feel so proud of you. You've done your best and you've worked so hard. You deserve a little rest now. You've been such a good roomie all year. It's a little cold. No, I'm fine. You're warm. You're pretty warm. I'm just worried about you. That's all. There. Get some sleep. Get some sleep. Of course, we can spend the holidays together. That would be very nice. You can choose what we have for dinner, and I'll choose the dessert. Is that okay? It will be our first holidays together, I think. Shh. Before you fall asleep, please remember that you are so loved by so many people, including me, okay? And you make so many people so proud, including me. And you have touched so many hearts, including mine. So please don't think so low of yourself, okay? Don't. And whenever you feel this way, you can come to me. And you can listen to my voice instead of your own, okay? Because I tell the truth. And sometimes your mind plays tricks on you. And that's not okay for you to hear. So listen to me and believe me when I say that you deserve everything good that has happened to you this year and everything good that will happen to you next year. And you might feel a little lonely right now or a little gloomy, but I'm here beside you, and I always will be beside you to help you get through everything, okay? So proud. I'm so happy to have you in my life. Okay, get some sleep. Now you should get some sleep. Okay, close your eyes. Listen to my voice until you drift. Just sleep. fall asleep already?